Cooking generally can feel like a full-time job, especially if you have kids. But what if I told you that you can make fried egg, eba, pap, and even cake under 5 minutes using your microwave? No gas, no wahala. Please stick around. Let me show you how it is done. Give your microwave-safe bowl a quick rub with some vegetable oil to avoid sticking. Crack your eggs into the bowl, add your pepper and whatever seasonings you like. Give it a good stir and pop it into the microwave. Now set the timer for 1 to 5 minutes depending on how fast your microwave is. Watch closely, oh, it's cooked fast. There you have it, your perfectly cooked breakfast in less than 5 minutes. So delicious and stress-free. Now let's talk about how to make eba in the microwave. Normally you'll be boiling water, right? With microwave you don't need to boil any water. All you need to do is to add your garri into a cold water, stir and pop into the microwave for just 2 to 5 minutes, and just like that, soft smooth eba is ready. Just warm up your soup and you're good to go. For the pap lovers, I know the struggle. Getting the consistency just right can be war. But with the microwave, no more lumps, no more stress. You can even impress your mother-in-law. Just mix your raw pap or ogi or akamu with cold water till smooth. Microwave for 2 to 3 minutes and boom. You just made yourself a perfectly thick silky pap without breaking a sweat. Pair this with some akara or moi moi. So yummy. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not. It will only take a moment. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me. Now for the real shocker. Yes, we are making a cake in the microwave. And here is how. In a bowl, mix 1 cup of flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, a teaspoon of baking powder. Stir all the dry ingredients together and make a well in the middle. Crack an egg, add flavor, add your milk and stir generously until smooth. Then add your melted butter, stir that as well, and slide into the microwave for 3 to 5 minutes and watch the magic happen. And just like that, your fluffy, delicious bento cake is ready. No oven, no stress, just sweet, easy goodness cake you can serve your kids, families, and friends. Which one of them are you trying first? Drop a comment and let me know. See you in my next video. Bye.